No space. No time. No matter. Not even darkness. Everything in less than 1 second. The entire universe exploded into existence. But here's what no one tells you. It wasn't an explosion. It was something far stranger. Space itself was being born. This is CosmoSaga. And this is the beginning of everything. Before we talk about the Big Bang, we need to ask the question everyone is afraid to ask. What was there before it?
We don't know.
But here's what physics tells us. The question itself may be wrong, because time itself was created in the Big Bang. So asking what came before time is like asking what is north of the North Pole. There is no answer, not because we haven't found it yet, but because the question has no meaning. So what happened in that first second? In the beginning, there was a singularity, a point of infinite density, infinite temperature, infinite energy, all of space, all of time, all of matter and energy, compressed into something smaller than an atom. Then at t equals 0, it began. In the first fraction of a second, the temperature was so extreme that the laws of physics as we know them simply did not exist yet. No gravity, no electromagnetism, no strong force, no weak force, just one unified force, ruling everything. Then, in less than a fraction of a second, the universe didn't just expand, it exploded outward, faster than light itself. As the universe cooled, the energy began to condense into particles, matter, and antimatter. Perfect opposites. For every particle of matter, an identical particle of antimatter. And when they meet, they annihilate each other completely, leaving nothing, not even darkness. Which means the universe should not exist. For every billion antimatter particles, one particle of matter remained, just one, and that changed everything. In less than 1 second, the universe grew from something smaller than a proton to the size of an orange. And in that moment, the seeds of everything you have ever seen were planted. That tiny imbalance is the reason everything exists. Every galaxy, every star, every planet, every atom in your body, all of it decided in that first fraction of a second. After the first second, the universe was still unimaginably hostile. It was a sea of pure plasma, so hot, so dense, that light itself could not travel. The universe was blind. For 380,000 years, not a single photon of light could move freely. Then something changed. The universe cooled enough for electrons to combine with protons, forming the first atoms, hydrogen, the simplest element in existence. And in that moment, the universe became transparent. For the first time, light was free. That light still exists today. We call it the cosmic microwave background, the oldest light in the universe, a photograph of the universe when it was just a baby. And when scientists mapped it, they found something extraordinary. Those tiny quantum fluctuations from the very first second were still visible. After recombination, the universe entered its darkest chapter. For hundreds of millions of years, there were no stars, no galaxies, no light, just darkness. Then gravity spoke. For the first time, clouds of hydrogen began to collapse, pulled together by gravity, getting denser, getting hotter, until the pressure became so extreme that hydrogen atoms began to fuse. Nuclear fusion ignited, and the first star was born. For the first time in cosmic history, there was light. Then one more formed, then millions, then billions. These first stars were true monsters, hundreds of times larger than our sun, burning millions of times brighter, and living for only a few million years. And when they died, they unleashed massive explosions, supernovas. And with their death, they brought something new. Every heavy element in the universe, carbon, oxygen, iron, gold, was forged inside stars as they died. From those scattered elements, a new generation of stars was born, with planets orbiting them, and with the building blocks that would make life possible. Countless rocks and asteroids, colliding and combining, gravity pulling them together, growing bigger with every impact, until a planet was born, our planet Earth. And in the oceans of that young, fiery planet, something impossible happened. Amid molten lava flowing into the seas, life found a way to begin. From a single cell to everything you see, every ocean, every forest, every creature that has ever lived, all of it, tracing back to that first second, it built for you. But here is the question that keeps physicists awake at night. Why does the universe exist for us at all? Change the strength of gravity, even slightly, and stars would never form. Galaxies would never exist. You would never exist. Alter the speed of light, and atoms never form. No matter, no universe at all. Alter the balance between matter and antimatter, and the universe vanishes into emptiness. Nothing remains forever. Every constant, every force, every number, all perfectly calibrated for us. But here is the question. What caused the Big Bang? We don't know, and maybe we never will, because whatever caused it didn't just exist before the universe. It existed outside of time, outside of space, outside of everything we can ever measure or even imagine. And what happened to the antimatter? Where did it go? Why is the universe almost entirely made of matter? Where is the missing half? We still don't know. What is dark energy? Making up 68% of everything. And we have no idea what it is. We made a full episode about dark matter. Watch it. Is our universe the only one? Or are there infinite universes? Each with different constants, different laws of physics, different versions of you. This is CosmoSaga, where discovery meets imagination. If this changed the way you see the universe, then you're one of us. Join us. Subscribe to CosmoSaga.